This replacing AC filter. The inner is this guy. This is the small AC filter. This is the inner air filter. This inside, guys. So need to remove this one, guys. Remove the housing. This housing cover. This one need to remove. And then the filter is inside. This one, guys. This one, guys. I already removed the screw, guys. This is a 8 screw. So now I remove them, guys. See, guys. Now, guys, I remove the AC filter cover. And then the filter now, guys, is here, guys. This is the filter, guys. You remove this one. Remove this. This toe screw only. Because some technician, guys, if they are doing air service, this one is must be changed the inner filter. This is the inner filter, guys. See, guys, this is the one, guys. The filter, guys, is here, guys. Look, guys, this is the inner filter, but the filter, guys, is inside. Like this guy is inside, so it's difficult to change. So now, guys, I change the toe filter. Okay, guys. See, guys, I remove now the filter, guys. And the filter, guys, is here, guys. See? This is the small filter. See, guys, this is the small filter. This is the small filter. So now, guys, we will put like this. One more. And another is here like this. No, it's coming inside. Here, yeah. This one is coming here.
Yeah.
Yes. And also it's coming here. Here. 1 minute. Yeah. There's a lock.
Okay.